Hello everyone, today we're focusing on a piece of hardware designed to address a very common frustration, the overheating laptop. We're discussing the ultra-quiet laptop cooler stand. It's no secret that finding tech that actually works as promised can be a challenge, but this stand often proves to be an exception. When your laptop, be it a powerful gaming rig or a daily workhorse, starts to throttle performance due to heat, it's not just an annoyance. It's a direct threat to its longevity and your productivity. This cooler isn't merely an accessory. It's engineered with a focus on stability and a robust reliability factor, truly a long-term investment for any heavy notebook user. 0452. Let's dive into what makes this particular stand a compelling choice. First, the emphasis on its silent design. The engineers here understood that while airflow creates noise, thoughtful optimization can significantly reduce it. They fine-tuned a product structure, which means you get substantial cooling without the distracting roar often associated with laptop pads. For those engaged in focused work, content creation, or immersive gaming, this quiet operation creates a more peaceful environment, allowing you to concentrate on the task at hand, rather than the sound of your cooling solution. Secondly, the core of its capability lies in its strong heat dissipation, driven by 4 PBT high-speed fans. These aren't just any fans. Each boasts 11 blades, operating at 1,500 revolutions per minute, collectively generating a substantial airflow of approximately 73 CFM. In real-world testing, this translates directly into tangible benefits. Your CPU and GPU temperatures drop, maintaining stable clock speeds. For gamers, this means consistent frame rates. For editors, smoother rendering. It's a key component in achieving best-in-class performance from your existing hardware, actively preventing thermal throttling and extending the lifespan of your valuable components. Finally, the innovative design, with multiple inclinations, isn't just about ergonomics. It's a fundamental part of its cooling strategy. By creating additional space between the fans and your desk, it significantly boosts natural airflow, enhancing the active cooling. This thoughtful ergonomic design also ensures a more comfortable typing and viewing experience, reducing strain during extended use. 2-3 Beyond its technical prowess, this laptop cooler stand integrates quite seamlessly into a modern workspace. Once it's on your desk, you'll notice its reassuringly sturdy construction. The subtle blue LED lights offer an understated aesthetic, avoiding distraction, presenting a clean, contemporary look that complements a minimalist workflow. The unboxing experience itself suggests a product built with care, setting the stage for what feels like a premium addition to your workstation. It's about protecting your technology and fostering an environment where you can truly focus. 3330. Now, in the spirit of absolute transparency, one minor point of consideration is the blue LED lighting. While subtle and aesthetically pleasing for many, there isn't an immediate, obvious control to turn them off independently of the fans. For those who prefer a completely dark environment, or perhaps a different lighting scheme, this is a minor subjective consideration. However, given its primary function as a high-performance cooling solution, this aesthetic choice is easily overshadowed by the substantial benefits it provides in maintaining optimal laptop health and performance. 330. And ultimately, investing in the ultra-quiet laptop cooler stand is a smart move for anyone serious about protecting their laptop and ensuring its consistent performance. It's a proactive measure that prevents costly repairs down the line and ensures your machine remains a reliable workhorse. When considering the long-term total cost of ownership for your valuable laptop, a device like this represents a truly wise long-term investment. Tech prices on platforms like Amazon can fluctuate daily due to demand, so I always recommend verifying the current deal if you're considering a purchase or checking if the price has dropped since this review was filmed. I put the link below so you can check the current price.